Okay guys, so I'm going to try and do the reverse French. I practiced it on one nail yesterday and I got some good feedback, so I'm going to give it a try on all of my nails. I didn't actually have the whole set of the Giza sand, but I had some samples, and so this video will also help to show how, if the strip is too big for your nail, how to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. Let me just open up the package so I can get my alcohol strip. Ugh. Of course. Alright. So this is Tokyo Lights. The alcohol pad and the nail file. I'm gonna open up the nail file. So I could use it. I've already pushed in all my cuticles. So just make sure you do that before you apply your nail strips. You want to push them all in, and mine are all in, as you can see. So I'm going to take the alcohol, clean my nails, get all the oils off. This is a really wet alcohol pad. Okay. Alrighty, I gotta shake my hands because they're so wet. I'm gonna take a tissue, it's just so wet. Okay, I see I need a little file over here. Okay, so the Tokyo Lights is gonna go on the bottom, and the Giza sand is going to go on the top. So I always start with my pinky, and my pinky is small, so the little tiny one fits my pinky. I'll take off the back, peel it off. Now you can put this on your nail from the bottom part or from the top. Some of the strips, the top is skinnier than the bottom. So if you need a skinnier strip, you just turn it over and go that way. But I need it from the bottom, so I'm going to pull off the bottom tab. And I'm going to put this on my pinky. As you can see, I lifted it a couple times because I wasn't happy with the placement. And I'm gonna push into the sides, push into my cuticles. Give it a nice push and just file the excess. So I'm going to leave the pinky in all just Tokyo Lights. So I'm going to just turn it around and double my pinky. There we go. And the pinky is done. Okay, so now I'm going to do my next nail. Is that what that is? Take off the top layer, peel off the bottom, pull the tab off, and apply it to the nail. Give it a little tug. Push to the sides. See, there's a little excess there, so when I push way into the crack, the excess just separates and it's gone. Okay. The nail file. Pull it. I could actually do, well, this is skinny, right? So I'm not going to do that. Okay. So I'm going to do the rest with the Tokyo lights on this hand. So it's just really the middle finger on my thumb. And then I'll put the Giza sand on top. So this is the easy part. I think the tricky part is getting the Giza sand placed on top of it in the right spot. Come on. There we go. All right, it's nice and sparkly. Let me do my thumb. And because I don't have the actual strips for the Giza sand, I don't have enough to cover my thumb, so I'm just going to double up the Tokyo lights on my thumb. And turn it around. Place it on. Okay, so now let's try to put the Giza sand on the rest of these nails. Well, actually just these two nails. I don't know what I'm going to do with my pinky yet. I thought I was going to leave it like that, but let's just see. All right, here's the tricky part. I'm gonna separate this. So now I want to place it evenly and just leave about the same amount of space. Actually, I'm going to use the top, the skinnier part, because I want more of it to show on the side. See, that was too far over. I'm gonna have to turn this around. This is what gets me nervous, the pulling. There, that's okay. I'm gonna have to go back this way. All right, I think it worked out okay. And I always file under the nail so I don't take too much of this strip. Come on. There we go. We have one done. And now let's do the middle finger. I'm going to open up another one of these and just grab the smaller one. I mean, this is a problem only because I don't have the right set of nails. I'm using samples. All right. Make sure you don't push too hard until you're actually ready to commit. And I think I'm ready. Yeah. Nail file. So, what do you think? Should I do something with the pinky, or I'm gonna have to use a big strip if I do. So if I just took the extra part that came off of this last nail. See if I just stick it on here. Actually, I think this will work. A little higher. There we go. So I know earlier in the video I said I would be able to show if the strip was too big for your nail. Actually, it didn't work out that way. I guess that's going to be another video. Sorry. Come on, get off. Okay. So now I'm going to do my right hand. And I don't think I need to repeat it with you because it would just be boring. What I'll do is come back and show you the final when it's done. It's a little tricky to get this style done, but you know what? I think it's worth it because now that it's all on 4 nails, it looks pretty. And then you have just the glittery thumb. Got excess here. Again, I'm going under the thumb to file, under the nail. So I don't want to ruin anything that's on the nail. There's a little excess here. Gotta get the excess off. There we go. These sticks are, if without this, I don't think I could do my nails. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do the next side. Okay, so I'm all done. Here's my reverse French. and I'm actually very happy with it. I thought it would be a lot more tedious, but it wasn't so bad. I mean, I wouldn't recommend this if you just started using Colorstreet and you haven't done a manicure yet. Look, I need to take some excess off here. But once you get the hang of it and you know how to use the strips, I would go ahead and give it a try. I love it. And then my thumbs are just the sparklies, double layer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.